This heavy-duty engine stand from Strongway is just what you need for working on almost every engine. It has a 1,500-pound capacity for heavy-duty projects. The four-leg design features a large, rugged frame with a four-hole mounting head that rotates 360 degrees and locks with a pin for stability. It has a long handle with rubber grip for easy engine rotation. It's constructed of high-grade steel with a lead-free paint that resists rust, oil, grease, and dirt for a long-lasting finish. The heavy-gauge tubular construction has 5 ball-bearing wheels and castors for easy mobility. And it folds to just over 15 inches deep and 32 inches wide for compact storage. Easily work on all engines with this engine stand from Strongway.